Visiting ruins is fun because it's like time travel, sparkling imagination by letting you walk where ancient people lived, connecting with history and nature, and finding beauty in decay that reflects life's impermanence and our shared human story. There are so many times I pass by Hirsau during my travels within the Black Forest region. Hirsau lies in the Nagold Valley, nestled between densely wooded Black Forest hills. It is a district of the town of Calw in the German state of Baden-Württemberg, located in the southwest portion of the country, about 2 miles north of Calw and about 24 miles west of Stuttgart. Finally, I made it to personally visit and experience the wonders of Hirsau. The town grew around the Benedictine Monastery, that is its main historical significance, and was once among the most famous in Europe. The place, although quite small, is very well maintained. It is surrounded by mountains and exudes a very relaxing and beautiful atmosphere. So if you're around Germany and are not sure if Hirsau should be included in your itinerary, keep watching because in this video, we will discover the interesting things to see in Hirsau. The water of the Nagold flows like a swinging blue line through the riverbed, accompanied by green meadows and tree-covered hills. The town has been called as Luftkurort or air spa for the purity of its air, also with its healthy, stimulating low mountain climate and the Kurlagen Mountains. Hirsau has a local recreation function for stressed city dwellers and visitors. The town's bridge over the Nagold River dates to the Carolingian period. It is totally safe to stay on either side of the bridge. You can enjoy watching the river, the live animals such as wild ducks and swans hunting for food in the water, and the overall scenic background. I am very lucky because it was a bit early when I arrived at the place. I witnessed the sea of clouds covering the thick forest. Visiting the ruins is free of charge. It is totally picturesque. Guests appreciate the combination of unspoiled and health-promoting nature with the historic surroundings of Hirsau Monastery. The history of Hirsau began around 760 with the construction of the Nazariuskirche. In 830, the Aurelius Kloster was founded, but it fell into despair and was rebuilt in another larger place from 1059 onwards. The universally learned Abbot Wilhelm made Hirsau Monastery one of the most influential monasteries in Europe. After the monastery's property has passed to the Duchy of Württemberg in the 16th century, Duke Ludwig of Württemberg had a hunting and pleasure castle built within the monastery walls. In 1692, French troops destroyed the monastery and castle. Over 500 years of construction, from the Romanesque to the Renaissance, has left its mark on the Hirsau Monastery. Although most of the buildings have been lost, their ruins still represent what were once very important structures. Today, the former monastery complex is a beautiful but atmospheric place with the striking Romanesque and Gothic ruins set against the scenic backdrop of the Black Forest. Rising above the landscape are towers which adds up to the elegance of the structure. The late Gothic Marienkirche and an assortment of monastic buildings offer a glimpse into everyday life at an abbey that was once one of the most influential spiritual and economic centers of the region. Overall, I find my visit satisfactory. Hirsau made my day happy and stress-free. I did not only learn history, but it also rejuvenates me physically and mentally. I hope that this video will help you appreciate Hirsau and its hidden gem even more. And before I'm going to end this video, allow me to say that life is full of wonder. Even if we are in the point in life where we cannot appreciate things, it sometimes helps to remember that there are really things to enjoy when we are ready. So let us seize every moment as they come, with open hearts and arms outstretched to embrace the possibilities that lie before us. This is Jhongix channel. Until my next travel, cheers!